At St. Luke's, we know you have many questions regarding COVID-19. And now more than ever, you need to be able to keep up with your scheduled visits and chronic conditions. We understand you may be hesitant to visit us in person, and so now we have a virtual option as well. A new way to safely and securely see your healthcare provider without having to leave the comfort of your home. And here's all you need to do to get ready for that first visit. Before you get started, test your camera audio and video using the provided link below. You're ready to get started.
Introducing the St. Luke's KC app. Using your cell phone or tablet device, you will be able to safely and securely see and talk with your provider. Here's how. First, go to mySaintLukeskc.org. Then, tap on the icons below. This will take you to the App Store, where you can download and then install the free app. Open the app. Tap the My St. Luke's Patient Portal button and log in. If you don't have a login, tap Sign Up and enter your information. If you don't have a sign-up code, tap the Sign Up Online icon and enter your information. A code will be sent to your email. When it's time for your appointment, tap Appointments. Locate the video visit and click e-check-in. Now, follow the guide through the e-check-in process. Once complete, tap Begin Visit. Now, simply wait for your care provider to connect. While the system connects, if your screen freezes or you're interrupted, press the refresh button.
That's it. You're now able to safely and securely discuss your healthcare needs from the comfort of your home. If you have questions or need a bit of extra help, you can call My St. Luke's customer service at 844-446-5479. We'll be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We look forward to seeing you soon.